Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. It's time for another plan with me. And last week I had a giveaway, and the winner of that giveaway got the journal and these cute stickers that are like safari, and that is Eva Palmer. So congratulations, Eva. And I also chose this washi for you. I thought it was so cute. It goes with the little giraffe. So we've got that. So just make sure, check the note that I sent you in the comments. And then also, V. Hargett, you had won last week, but I haven't heard from you. So it's been a week. I need to hear from you. Same thing, check your comments. And you get the journal, the stickers, and the cute stars, red, white, and blue washi. So those are ready to go. Just let me know what your address is so I can get them out to you. And now we're going to do this week's. I haven't done this one in a long time, and I have a bunch of them. It's the sticker accents, and I just love all these colors. They are a little bit older, but look, I have two. So I have a giveaway again, and then I'm going to be using this washi. Look how great that works together. Isn't that so like same colors? So I will use this washi in this planner. I do love it, but I will put this in that giveaway as well. So, and I'm not going to use a lot. I'm just going to use enough to cover up my little bits there. And I'm going to, just cover up my name like I always do. I love this washi. I won't second guess. I'll still put it in there, but I still love it. So what are your plans for the week? Let me know. And the only things you have to do to enter into the giveaway is be a subscriber and like the video, and then comment down below. Any of the questions that I ask you will work. I just choose a random comment and we go from there. So if you wanted to get these, they are free planner printables. They are on my blog beautyandthestamper.com. And let's go ahead and get started. This one's going to be quick and easy because I'm preparing for my class that's on Saturday, getting all the pieces cut and everything. So I'm excited about that. And I think what I'm going to do is kind of use this one all the way across here. And then I'm going to have to cut down a little bit. But I just love this banner so much. So I'm going to stick that on there, and I'm going to get some scissors. And I just want to show you that it does not cost a lot. In fact, I think I bought all of these stickers, so I have so many, at like a thrift store. And I bought like a pack of 20 or something. I've given them away before. And then this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my trimmer. I know, I feel like I'm cheating, but I think if you do crafts and this kind of stuff, you probably have a trimmer. Which, if you don't, oh my goodness, I'll put a link down below so you can get one. This is the best trimmer. This is the Stampin' Up! Paper trimmer. And it scores as well, but look how cute that came out. There we go. Now I can grab all the other ones and put some here. I had here the Best of Friends. I know that I wanted to put that one on here, but I wasn't sure exactly where. So I think I'm going to place it right here. And then we're just gonna put some of these little doohickeys here and there. We have a whole entire row of hearts, and I think I will put that here on my gratitude. Oh my. Oh, okay. I was gonna say, that came out exactly perfect. And these are sticky stickers. I just tried to lift it. That ain't happening. But you know me, I'm crazy, so I want it to be kind of as perfect as possible. So we're just going to take one of these little hearts. Actually, I'm going to take a bigger heart and kind of go like that. And then have this one going like that. Oh, super cute. And then we'll do some self-care here. I'll put this little guy right here. And let's put a little flower right over here. I'll give it a couple little leaves here as well. And when I do this, I keep in mind where I'm going to be punching these holes. So I'm going to be punching the holes right here if I have a 3-ring binder, or in my Happy Planner, they're going to be going on this side and this side. So if I'm going to have any thickness, I'm going to keep it on these sides here. Alright, I do have phone calls every Thursday, so I will put this right here. Again, keeping in mind that I'm going to be punching those holes. Friends are family by choice. Oh, that's so sweet. Definitely, I'm going to put this on here. We'll put that right here. And then look at this little guy. That's super cute. Ooh. I'll go right there. And then we are going to put some random flowers here and there. I'm going to cover up these notes this time. So cute. And then we'll definitely get another one here. And I'm just looking at what we've got, because this might be a less is more situation. Definitely think this is really cute. These are so cute. if you win these, I would definitely love to see what you do with yours. Just a little bit too big. I'm going to just cut it down a little bit. Does not look like leaves at all. This one does a little bit better. Not at all. But that's okay. You'll notice if you are new to my channel that I say that's okay on almost everything because this is yours. This is 100% yours, and you do whatever you'd like with your little stickers, your planners, your crafts, whatever you choose to do. Oh, I'm just going to continue on. That actually looks pretty good. We're pretty close to done. Just gonna add, well, I was gonna add a flower there, but I think I'm done here. And then, you know me, I always bring in a couple other little stickers. And I'm just looking real quick to see. I always do these little kind of tidy up and me time stickers in here, but I'm gonna wait. And I'm just looking at these to see. I was gonna do some cover-ups there, but I don't see anything that I really want to have on here. I do like this one. This one says "Hooray for today," and it matches really nicely. So I'm going to stick that one right over here. And then I have my list of things to do, to buy, and to watch. Usually I change those up, but I think I'm okay with it this week. And I'm pretty sure I was going to add more, but I think I'm good. And I think now that I have this done, I could add these little flowers on here. Just looking to see if there, oh yes, here we go. Yep. We are good to go. And if you guys have anything that you want to add on here, definitely do that. I'm going to actually take this. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to put one little flag right here. Or did I want it there? Nope, I wanted it there. There we go. All right, beauties, I will add my little to-do stickers here and there, But other than that, this is the layout, and you can win all the stickers that I used to make this. You can get the planner printable for free. You can do this exact same layout if you'd like. All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you about planning next week. But until then, make sure you are subscribed, give thumbs ups, comment below, and get yourself entered to win those stickers. And also, you won't miss any of my videos. Just make sure you click the little bell there. All right, have a wonderful day. Again, I will talk to you later. Bye.